Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make $1,000 money making YouTube shorts. In nothing less than 20 minutes, I will be teaching you how to use a crazy magic AI tools to write a script and how to get a videos for yourself using the easiest way. All right, join me as I challenge myself to create a 1,500 money making YouTube shorts in nothing less than 20 minutes using some crazy AI magic. I'll be telling you the actual AI tools you are to use, which I recommend you to use to write a script, or just ask the AI to do anything and it will deliver exact what you want. So imagine being able to create a massive library of contents in a fractional of its time. Well, to produce a single video, what would you do to your YouTube channel and also your business? It's a game changer, and also it's kind of stressful. Though it's not easy, but you have to, focus on that time and the challenges. All right. And it's the edits consistently, it's hard. Consistency is the key, though. But growing a successful YouTube channel, but let's face it, creating a content consistently is hard. Most creators struggle to come up with new ideas. Most creators always struggle to come up with a new ideas. So write engaging scripts and edit their video quickly, and even when they manage to create content, they often spend hours upon hours perfecting everything details. The result is a lot of waste time and energy that could be better spent on other things. It's not easy though. So let me tell you, I know it's because I've been there too, and I have spent countless hours studying and also starting a blank and trying to come up with the perfect scripts. I have wasted entire days editing a single video. This is where I'm going to. I've also been a victim of this, and also it takes me a lot of time to write a script, to shoot a video, editing my video. It takes a lot of time. But with the help of ChatGPT, with the help of these AI tools, it will be very perfect for you to get a video in nothing less than 20 minutes. Just ask the AI what the AI have to do for you. Maybe just to write a script or create a short video for you about your pets, about your environment, about your feelings, what you feel at the moment, what you feel like the AI should create for you. So let me tell you, I know it's because I've been there too. All right, the biggest challenges creators face, it's time. We will have limited time, and when you are trying to create content consistently, and time becomes even more valuable. You want to spend your time on a high leverage activities, not getting bogged down in the weeds of content creation. That's where AI comes in. So using the ChatGPT, I'll be teaching you how to use this ChatGPT to create exact video or content that you want without you not wasting much of your time. So now let's dive into the video. I'll be teaching you how to create a video using the magic AI tools. You can just make 1,500 making money YouTube shorts in nothing less than 20 minutes. So let's dive in, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is my ChatGPT, and this is where we are going to be asking the ChatGPT few things. The magic AI tools that I'm talking about, I recommend you using the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is very, very easy and stress-free, and it works faster. I recommend you guys using the ChatGPT. So now, guys, let's go. I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to write or create something about my pets for me now, and you will see how this works. All right. Create a content video on how to play with my dog. All right, now I've entered it. Let's wait till ChatGPT get back with the results. Create a content video on how to play with my dog. Okay, here is a script outline for a video title: how to play with your dog for a happier bond for your YouTube channel. Can you see? Now, immediately I wrote this, the ChatGPT brought out a script on how to, play with my dog for a happier bond. They even give me a good description and also a good title. So now this thing opening shot, you and your dog in a fun moment. You see, they bring out the scripts. They brought out the script the way it has to be. So voiceover and on a camera dialogue. Hey everyone, welcome back to our web studio. Today we are diving into something both you and your dog will love. How to play with your funny, furry friend to keep them happy, active, and healthy. Part one. Why playtime is important. Bam. Between 15 seconds to 1 minute. That's the actual time you will use to shoot this part. Shoot a happy dog running, wagging its details, and also play fetch. Even this, with this description, you're easy, like you're good to go. With this write up and also a full script on how to play with your dog, you are easy to go to create your video. Even though with this description, you can also, I recommend you using a Canva. That's where you can also ask AI to get you a video of someone playing with a dog. You can also use, you can just post that on your YouTube channel, which is free. There are free videos which won't make your channel be affected. You understand? Like asking the ChatGPT or asking the AI tools on the Canva to create a short video where people are playing with their dog. You can also post that as a short on your YouTube channel without that harming your YouTube account or flagging your YouTube channel. So with this script, you can also create a crazy and a moment, a good tug of war, like do some videos with your dogs, outdoor adventure within 4 minutes to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 visual elements to playful background music, fun text overlay, e.g. pro tips, and they recommend even the tools that you can also use to create your video. So that's all. This video will be engaging, informative, and relatable for dogs owners while showing your personality and bond with your pet. Want help with editing ideas or thumbnails? You can also ask them for editing ideas or thumbnails for your channel to grow faster. Trust me. So I recommend you guys to just make use of ChatGPT, and this is the easiest way to make 1,500 money making YouTube shorts in 20 minutes with AI magic. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also thanks for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own experience with AI tools. And if you want more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, check out my videos. Trust me, you're gonna learn one or two things in my channel. And every week I drop new videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, and also how to edit your video with CapCut, also create a massive thumbnail with Canva. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you click the bell button to get notified whenever I drop a new video, and also drop a comment under the comment section. Click the like button to like any of my video, and also stay tuned. Watch my next video, and see you in my next lesson. Bye for now.